Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I wanted to share State Route 374 with you. It is one of my favorite routes in southern Ohio. It takes you through the Hocking Hills area. Stick around, check this out. I think you're really going to like this road. It's a nice leisurely pace, but you can have a lot of fun on it if you want to play around. We'll see you after this. I was kind of in the mood for some twisties today, so I thought I would take you along. We are going to ride State Route 374 off of US 33 and take it until it pretty much dead ends to State Route 56. Thunderstorms have just moved through the area early this morning, so we're definitely going to be taking it a little easy on some of these corners, because they are somewhat wet in spots, blind. I've already noticed some gravel that's washed out into the roadway. These corners are sharper than what you think as you approach them. I've literally had deer standing right here before on this road. That's another thing you gotta watch out for when you're riding this road. You are in the Hocking Hills region. This is a touristy site, so don't be surprised if you get a lot of slow-moving traffic on this road. Like this idiot that can't stay on his side of the road. You have Conkle's Hollow, you have Rock House, you have Old Man's Cave, you have Ash Cave. That's all in this general vicinity right here. And then for some reason I always forget to mention Cantwell Cliffs when I'm in this area. But there's the parking lot for it. .374 makes a intersection here with State Route 180 that we are going to be on the same road for just a couple of miles, and then 374 will split off to the left up here. Oh yeah, look at all the washout from the rain. That makes me worry about this corner right here, so I'm going to slow way down more than normal. Yeah, it's clear, go figure. Here we make this left to stay on State Route 374. And remember what I said about catching people on this road? That didn't take long. Here we are at Rock House. It's one of the few places I haven't explored through here. I need to come back and do that. I don't know much about the rentals, but there's a whole lot of cabin rental things in this area, in case you're interested. See the sign there for Conkle's Hollow? It's that road right there to the left. That's one of my favorite spots to come down here and take a relatively short hike if that's what you're into. They have one path that's just a half-mile in, half-mile out, and another path that's a 2-mile loop around the top of it. I prefer the 2-mile loop, but both can be fun. 374 merges with 664 right here for a couple of miles. And we're going to make a left. And this is the road that Old Man's Cave is on. And I don't remember the year, but of course a long time ago, but it got its name because an old man literally lived down here in the cave system. I mean, it's not a cave like what you're thinking, but just basically a rock overhang. To me is more accurate description. Okay, we are approaching the entrance now to Old Man Cave parking area. You can kind of see it right there. Not very full yet. And you have a campground here on your right. Oh yeah, I forgot about Cedar Falls. Another great place to go check out. This little section's probably where I've seen the most deer over the years. Don't expect to get cell service in too many places around here either. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sign off now because we're almost done with this road. Only a couple of miles left. I hope you liked this short video. If you would, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next video. I'll try to get a little bit more footage, but if all I'm going to do is 20 miles an hour, probably not. And this is where the road ends, State Route 56. Make a right-hand turn, you can go to Ash Cave. It's only about a half mile down the road. Make a left turn, and you head towards Athens. 56 to the east here is a great road all on its own. It has a lot of great curves.